Today I'm making double-layered Lucky Charms fudge. First in a bowl I have 2 cups of melting chocolate. I'm going to melt that. Next I'm going to add 1 can of chocolate frosting. Next I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of Lucky Charms and mix that up until it's combined. Next I have an 8x8 pan that I lined. I'm going to add the fudge and spread it out and then put this in the fridge for 20 minutes. Next I'm going to make the next layer of fudge. So in a bowl I have 2 cups of white melting chocolate. I'm going to melt that. Then I'm going to add a few drops of green food coloring. Then I'm going to add 1 can of vanilla frosting. Next mix that up until it's combined. Then add a cup of Lucky Charms and mix that up until it's combined. Next add the green fudge on top of the chocolate fudge and spread that out. Lastly, sprinkle some more Lucky Charms on top and then cover this and put this in the fridge for 2 hours before slicing into pieces. After the 2 hours, I sliced the fudge into pieces and put it on a plate, and here's an up-close look.